All right, so we have some airplane parts in here. You guys haven't seen this airplane before.
Yeah, you from YouTube.
Vicky's complaining about being on YouTube. Here, I told you.
Is this family friendly?
This is still family friendly. This is the rest of the plane. So we just finished putting it all back together. When we got it, it looked like this. And you're gonna send me a picture, right? And I'm gonna put the picture up of the before, and then all this stays in. You're just looking at the picture now and then. And here it is after. And it's a little, the windshield's a little foggy, but we'll pull that off whenever we get there. But we're getting ready to,
foggy.
I'm a little foggy. So you'll be seeing more of this. We'll be flying it around. I'll give you a whole tour of it once it's all put back together. But I wanted to show you where it came from. And this is it. Well, there it is, all loaded up, ready to be moved. And there's a trailer around here somewhere that's going to hook onto the back that holds the wings and a bunch of other stuff. And then on its way to Woodstock. Well, it made it. It's in Woodstock now. Thanks to Dave for helping us put it together. And thanks to Vicky, who went and got us Tim Hortons.
You needed a little sugar fix?
Always do.
You are nowhere near sweet enough.
What do you think of that camera angle right there? That's what it's gonna sit like that. And then you can see like the occupants, and you can see straight ahead, and you'll be able to see the stick and the wheels. Anyway, that's gonna be one of the camera angles, I think. Vicky's over organizing the toolbox because it all fell apart whenever we drove it up here in the truck. But we're getting pretty close to getting this plane off the ground. So just wanted to give you a, well, I guess it's just sort of an outro, because the last day that I filmed, we didn't actually film an outro. We just kind of stopped filming, and I tried to send a video out to you guys, but it didn't feel right because it wasn't finished. So no flying in this video, but soon. We don't have much to do, and this plane will be good to come off the ground. As you can see, we're mounting cameras, so that means we're getting close. But oh, Vicky's coming at me with a hammer. Is
Time
it?
for lunch.
Oh, it's lunchtime. Oh, all right. Trying to think of a mallet joke, but can't think of one.
So disappointed.
I know. Usually I can hammer those out like it's no tomorrow. Say bye, Vicky.
Bye, Vicky.